Do you really love TTRPGs, but none of your friends do, even though you've listed all of the pros? Epic stories shaped by them, epic battles, but the fantasy setting just isn't for them? Well, try anime. With the medium growing exponentially, chances are good that this will be a way to grab their attention, at least for one session. In this video, we will use Kaiju No. 8 as an example on how to structure a game and turn the anime's plot points and elements into a TTRPG adventure. And if you stick around until the end, I will have some free tools to help your adventure along for the newest of players, so that everyone can get into the action. I will talk about Kaiju No. 8, giving a summary about the world and setting the stage, spoiler-free of story beats. Then I will tell you how to turn it into an amazing adventure. And in the final part, a great way to add some twists into the story as well. Alright folks, let's dive into the chaos of Kaiju No. 8, a world where massive monsters, known as Kaiju, regularly turn cities into their personal playgrounds. Japan being their favorite stomping ground. These behemoths had to step up their game. Enter the Japanese Anti-Kaiju Defense Force, also known as the JAKDF, humanity's last hope against these colossal threats. Kaiju aren't just your run-of-the-mill monsters, they're classified by threat levels. The Fortitude level scale ranks their strength, splitting them into two main types: Honju, the big bads, and Yoju, the smaller, annoying sidekicks. But the real nightmares are the Daikaiju, massive, uniquely powerful kaiju with high fortitude levels or bizarre traits. Each Daikaiju gets a number based on its debut appearance, marking it as a legendary threat. To stand a chance against these titans, Defense Force officers don powered suits, crafted from kaiju remains. These suits amp up their strength, speed, and durability, with their effectiveness measured as unleashed combat power. The higher the percentage, the deadlier the officer, with 100% being the ultimate peak. These suits also boost their weapons, turning each officer into a one-man army. But the real game changers are the numbered weapons, elite arms forged from Daikaiju remains, named after the Daikaiju they are derived from. These weapons are insanely powerful and grant their users unique abilities. However, only a rare few officers are compatible with them, making those who wield them true legends on the battlefield. Now imagine you're part of the JAKDF and suddenly gain the ability to transform into a kaiju yourself. You know, you can do more good with your new powers, but if anyone finds out, you could face execution, or worse, become a lab rat. See how things are coming together to make a great TTRPG adventure? Leading me into... Alright folks, let's dive into crafting an epic TTRPG adventure inspired by the chaotic world of Kaiju No. 8. Imagine this. Your players are thrust into a universe where colossal kaiju wreak havoc, and they are the brave souls of a specialized defense force. But here's the kicker. You've got the creative freedom to mold this setting into any genre at your table. Picture this. Instead of a traditional kaiju, your world is plagued by towering dragons or other monstrosities. The defense force, they're decked out in specialized armor and wield weapons forged from the very beasts they hunt. This isn't just a cookie-cutter scenario. It's a dynamic playground where your players choose to shape the narrative. By drawing inspiration from Kaiju No. 8, you're setting the stage for a thrilling, customizable adventure that can seamlessly blend into any genre that your group desires. Kick things off by diving into character development. Encourage your players to share their reasons for joining the defense force and their drive to combat kaiju. Are they fueled by revenge, searching for a lost loved one, seeking glory, or committed to safeguarding humanity. Countless motivations can propel them into these perilous situations. Facilitate a roundtable discussion where each player shares their backstory. Think of it as their training arc, leading up to their introduction into the Defense Force. You are laying the groundwork for a dynamic and engaging campaign by fostering personal investment and collaborative storytelling. By weaving these elements into your campaign, you're setting the stage for an immersive, thrilling experience that captures the essence of Kaiju No. 8, while still allowing your players to carve their own tale, their own story, their own unique adventure. Alright, let's dive into creating an adventure that'll keep your gaming group on the edge of their seats. Picture this: intense, heart-pounding battles against colossal kaiju, followed by those crucial moments of downtime where characters can truly shine. After clashing with these behemoths, give your players a chance to bond with key NPCs, upgrade their specialized armor, or delve into researching kaiju weaknesses. And mix things up with missions that aren't just about brute strength. Maybe they're rescuing civilians trapped, or holding the line against kaiju threats until the cavalry arrives. This blend of high-octane action and meaningful character development ensures your campaign stays dynamic and engaging. As your squad racks up victories, their unleashed combat power skyrockets, unlocking the ability to pull off even more jaw-dropping moves, but also delve into their personal stories. As they crush their goals, they might get their hands on those legendary numbered weapons. These bad boys don't just pack a punch, they come with higher ranks and bigger responsibilities within the team. Introduce an intriguing twist by randomly infecting one of your players with a kaiju virus, granting them the ability to transform into a powerful daikaiju. While this transformation bestows immense strength, being discovered in this form can lead to significant complications for the entire group. This scenario opens up the door to humorous and unique situations where fellow players might collaborate to conceal the infected member's secret, or they all band together and there might be some repercussions to that. Alternatively, they could unite to investigate the virus, seeking for a cure or exploring the possibility to harness the power for themselves. Now that you have a hook and a setup, here are some free tools to help you get started. If you want to get new players into the hobby, I have created my own TTRPG 6-sided dice anime-inspired system called Rotten Fall Heroes. This will get you playing in no time, and it's free to download. It will be in the description. But if you use any other system, I have also created a system agnostic quick start to Kaiju No. 8 campaign that'll help you get started. This will also be linked with Rotten Fall Heroes. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. Go ahead and download my free TTRPG Rotten Fall Heroes to get you into the action faster. Made for new and experienced players alike. If you want to click that like and subscribe, that'll also be amazing, and please share some of the adventures that you've had in the comments. Go out there and keep it GG.